Have you ever wondered about the health benefits of drinking garlic water? Today, we're diving into the wonders of this unassuming yet potent concoction. Garlic water, as simple as it sounds, is made by infusing fresh garlic cloves in water. This infusion process allows the beneficial compounds in garlic to seep into the water, creating a health-boosting drink that's as easy to make as it is to consume. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries, revered by many cultures for its medicinal properties. And when it's steeped in water, these properties become even more accessible, ready to be absorbed by your body with every sip. We'll be exploring some of these benefits in detail, which range from boosting your immune system to improving heart health, and even acting as a powerful antioxidant. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets of this humble drink? Prepare yourself for the surprising health benefits of this simple yet powerful drink. First off, garlic water is a fantastic immune system booster. How, you might ask? Well, it's all thanks to the potent compounds present in garlic. Compounds such as allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, play a crucial role in warding off germs. The immune system is our body's defense force, and these compounds help it fight off invaders like bacteria and viruses. Now, imagine incorporating garlic water into your daily routine. Regular consumption can help prevent common illnesses such as the flu and the infamous common cold. But it doesn't stop there. Even if you do catch a bug, drinking garlic water can still come to the rescue by reducing the severity of your symptoms. So if you're looking for a natural way to strengthen your immune system, garlic water is a great option. It's like having a personal bodyguard, always ready to protect you from any germs that dare to invade. Secondly, garlic water can improve your heart health. You see, garlic is a bit of a superhero when it comes to our ticker. It has superpowers that can lower both cholesterol levels and blood pressure, two villains that often lead to heart disease. Just imagine each sip of garlic water is like sending in a tiny superhero to fight off these threats to your heart. And that's not all. Garlic also helps to slow down atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of the arteries. This condition can be a ticking time bomb leading to heart attack or stroke. But don't worry, garlic is on the case. By regularly sipping on garlic water, you're helping to keep your arteries flexible and clear, allowing your blood to flow freely. Each gulp is like a little thank you to your heart, helping to keep it pumping strong and healthy. It's clear that drinking garlic water can be a heart-healthy habit. Thirdly, garlic water is an antioxidant powerhouse. Now you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, antioxidants are like the body's own little superheroes, fighting off the villains we know as free radicals. These free radicals cause cell damage and aging, but antioxidants found abundantly in garlic are here to save the day. Garlic, especially when infused in water, releases compounds like allicin, flavonoids, and selenium, all of which are potent antioxidants. These superheroes don't just stop at cell protection, oh no, they guard your brain health too. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in garlic may lower the risk of brain conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Imagine just by sipping on some garlic water, you're fortifying your body's defenses and preserving your cognitive health. Now that's a drink worth raising a glass to. Garlic water, thus, holds the key to longevity and good health. But wait, there's more. Garlic water also promotes digestive health, benefits your skin, aids in detoxification, and more. Let's delve into these additional benefits. Starting with digestive health, garlic water is a boon. It stimulates digestion and appetite. It also helps in the treatment of various stomach problems, such as diarrhea, colitis, and dyspepsia, by reducing gastric secretion and fermentation. Simply put, garlic water can be your stomach's best friend. Now let's talk about skin health. Garlic water is packed with antioxidants that protect your skin from free radical damage, keeping your skin fresh and young-looking. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation, and even help with conditions like psoriasis and eczema. And let's not forget that garlic water has antibacterial properties that can help fight off skin infections. So not only does garlic water keep your skin looking good, but it also keeps it healthy. Moving on to detoxification, garlic water is a natural detoxifier. It helps cleanse your system by speeding up the elimination of toxins. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate the liver enzymes responsible for expelling toxins from the body. This makes garlic water an excellent detox beverage that can help keep your body clean and healthy. And there's still more. Garlic water can help with everything from reducing blood pressure to improving bone health. It's also been linked to helping with weight loss, reducing the risk of certain cancers, and even improving mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. With so many health benefits, it's no wonder that garlic water has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. It's a simple, easy, and inexpensive way to boost your health. So why not give it a try? Your body will thank you. In conclusion, the health benefits of garlic water are numerous and impressive. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned today. Garlic water is a mighty ally for our immune systems, fortifying our bodies against disease and infection. It's also a champion for heart health, aiding in blood pressure regulation and cholesterol management. This humble elixir is an antioxidant powerhouse, fighting against free radicals and slowing down the aging process. And let's not forget how it supports our digestive health, promotes healthier skin, and aids in detoxification. These benefits, along with its accessibility and ease of preparation, make garlic water a truly remarkable health booster. It's nature's gift to us, a simple solution with profound effects. So, are you ready to give garlic water a try? Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Here's to your health.